3, 4 comments. One, I find the ribs to be a bit too hard. It should have had a bit of a separation to it. Are you recording? Are you recording? What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click. So after that cherry picking episode there, we're still in Beamsville. We're here now at Smoke and Moonshine. We're gonna get our grub on, man. Let's hope this one doesn't disappoint. Please wait to be seated.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thanks. And you?
Good, thanks.
Table for two?
Yes, please.
Do you guys serve celery bread here?
No.
Okay, thank you. Somebody promised me celery bread.
I'll grab some lunch now and back over for you.
Perfect. You just have enough hands.
You don't want to sit outside like that, do you? Yeah, we ended up coming outside to the patio. Nice little space. It's a cool day. It's probably about 23 degrees Celsius or something. So what do we got? We got St. Louis Sticky Sweet and Zesty. We've got the Carolina Gold Zippy Mustard Base. And we've got the Georgia Pepper Sauce. Sweet and hot. With cumin. Oh, where's the camera? With cumin and black pepper. And what's the last one on the menu? We've got the Moonshine Madness. We got the Moonshine Madness. Bourbon base, spiced and zesty with a hint of espresso. Where the espresso? Alright. That was lame. I want some water. Thank you. So I'm just looking at their little, what's this, the appetizers for the menu. So it's $5 each, or you can try all of these for $40. So you got the smoked chicken taco, Tennessee hot chicken taco, a lean brisket taco, fried avocado taco. Do you guys need to stop, please? That is abuse. Stop abusing friggin' avocado like that. Thank you. Blackened shrimp taco, smoked cheeseburger, barbecue pork, smoked garlic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, about 8 or 9 tacos for $40. That's probably a good deal, yeah?
Yeah.
I would think. So let's take a peek at the menu. Now I won't be repeating everything for you guys. You guys are gonna have to pause the video and kind of watch as well. Just pause it and read. And we've got. I'm around the patio, so I do apologize for the noise. What else we got here? Oh, barbecue plates and southern specialities. The big barbecue platter. Guess what I'm having? The big barbecue platter. Maybe. If I'm allowed. Which one is that?
Moonshine Madness, bourbon based, spice and zesty.
Oh,
With a hint of espresso.
nice.
Thank you.
What's that called? The moonshine?
Moonshine sunrise.
Moonshine sunrise. Thank you so much.
Make some decisions on food?
Yeah, we're gonna go with that big platter thing that
Platter
you
for
got.
two?
Yeah.
Good choice. Okay, I got that ordered for you.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we are to believe that this is made with actual moonshine, right? But in Canada, the highest proof you can go is 40% alcohol. So
Yeah, we changed our menu a couple of weeks ago, and if I don't remember this, I'm going to hit myself with a pan. You now have the choice of the burnt ends or the pulled brisket.
to the mantra here at Smoke and Moonshine, what is authentic barbecue? So there you go. If you didn't already know, there you know.
You won't like that.
On their website, it's smokeandmoonshine.com, and the address here is 5205 King Street, Beamsville. And where is Beamsville, you're asking? It is between Stony Creek and St.
I
Catharines.
guess, yeah.
It's between Hamilton and Niagara Falls.
Yeah.
It's between Toronto and Buffalo, maybe. I'm still correct, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. I'm correct. See? This was
Pork. Burnt ends.
Ribs.
Baked beans. Cornbread.
Cornbread, beans, mac and cheese, some French fries, or as we call it in the Caribbean, chips. It's looking good, it's smelling good, and that cornbread is calling my name. Luckily, here's the thing. If you guys are smart, you're with a person on a date, maybe it's not a date, I don't know, but you're out and you order one of these platter things, try to get the one with the stuff that she doesn't eat so you get the most of it. Nice little tip there. Yeah, we got a nice little pull there to the cheese. Not bad. So to prove my point, so peep how much food is there, right? And peep her plate. See what I mean? That's all going down into the hatchet. I'm gonna, oh, the things I'm gonna do to this platter, boy, oh boy. Whew, gotta love toothpicks. Both of us were very full right now, right? Peep down there. If you peep over on the far side there, we've got containers to go. It is $50, and some of you may probably think that's a lot of money, but you get a lot of food. Like, I am completely full. A few comments. It really needed a sort of a spiciness to it, maybe a hot sauce. Just saying. I found everything to be a little bit bland. It was missing that sort of spicy element to it. The sauces were great. There are 4 options. The cornbread was good. The beans was good. The thing that stood out, the macaroni and cheese, I went at that. The ribs, however, were a bit tough. There was no separation to it. It almost like it seized on there. You did see a smoke ring. The burnt ends of the beef burnt ends were really good. The pork was a little bit dry, but again, you have all that barbecue sauce there to use. Chris at CaribbeanPod.com. We've got Sarah Rose over there holding the camera right now, the official videographer. She's not getting paid. Can I say it was good, man? Yo, the pickles, come back up. The pickled onions.
Oh, man.
The pickled onions, they were really good. I don't eat pickles. They were missing though.